Hi friends, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss very useful and important information for the students who are going to write the competitive exams. In this video, we are going to discuss the natural resources of India like land, forest, minerals, etc. Since the each and every point I prepared for you is equally important, my request is you please watch till the end of the video. Shall we start? Yes. Look at the very first point. Which state in India is estimated to have the largest coal reserves in India? The answer is Jharkhand. Next to Jharkhand is Odisha. Jharkhand and Odisha are maintaining largest coal reserves in India. Similarly, where is the Forest Reserve Institute of India located? The answer is Dehradun. Dehradun. Dear friends, this is the deemed university. The Forest Reserve Institute of India is located in Dehradun. It is a deemed university. Similarly, Singhbhum is a famous for everyone knows it iron ores. Similarly, look at the next one. Sundarbans of eastern India is an example of answer is mangrove ecosystem. Mangrove ecosystem. Similarly, which is the hotspot for biological diversity in India? The answer is Sundarbans. Next one, the largest river of peninsular India is Godavari. These are all the points very useful and important. The highest gravity dam in India is answer is Bhakra Dam. Similarly, what is the longest irrigation canal in India is answer is Indira Gandhi Canal is also called Rajasthan Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal is also called Rajasthan Canal. Similarly, nuclear energy is a mineral based energy source. It is derived from, nuclear energy is derived from the nuclear fuels like uranium, thorium, plutonium, etc. Similarly, look at the next one. When was the first national forest policy issued by the government of India? The answer is 1952. Similarly, major coal fields of India are located in the river valley of answer is Damodar. Next one, in India, the state known for its sandalwood. The state known for its sandalwood is answer is Karnataka. You know, Mysore is the place where lot of sandalwood is available. Therefore, the Mysore is also called the sandalwood city in Karnataka. I hope you got my point. Similarly, look at the next one. The world's largest railway platform is at. Dear friends, remember, at present it is there in Kharagpur. But remember, the world's largest railway platform is going to be built in Karnataka, Hubli Junction. Anyhow, at present, the Kharagpur railway station is the old largest railway platform. Similarly, rail wheel factory situated in Karnataka is, the answer is Yelahanka. At Yelahanka, rail wheel factory is situated. Similarly, among the Brahmaputra, Kaveri, Krishna, and Mahanandi, the international river is, Brahmaputra is the international river. Similarly, the government of India has decided to declare national river is, this everyone knows, Ganga. Similarly, gold mines in India are located mainly at Kolar. You know, Kolar is the place in Karnataka. Kolar in Karnataka. Similarly, the Buckingham Canal, which has been declared a national waterway of India, recently is a canal running from, you know, that Buckingham Canal is running from Vijayawada to Villupuram. Vijayawada is there in Andhra Pradesh. Villupuram is in Tamil Nadu. Similarly, look at the other one. Among the Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, and Yamuna, the largest river is, the answer is absolutely Godavari. Godavari is the correct answer. So, Godavari is the largest river among Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, and Yamuna. Similarly, look at the next one, which is the central theme of the Chipko movement started by the Sundarlal Bahugun in 1973. Sundarlal Bahugun started the movement in 1973 on conservation of forests. Similarly, the Cobra coalfield is located in Chhattisgarh. Similarly, look at the next point. The National Forest Policy aims at maintaining how much of the total geographical area under forest? The answer is one third. The last one, the minimum forest cover to maintain ecological balance in the plains is, the answer is 33%. I hope all of you clearly understood all these points. Dear friends, this kind of information is very, very important for the students who are going to give the competitive exams. Anyhow, thank you very much. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.